Good morning, Julia. Thank you for joining us today for the interview. I'm excited to learn more about your interest in the junior process engineer position here at Saipem. To start, could you briefly introduce yourself and what draws you to this role?
Good morning, and thank you for having me. I'm Julia Rossi, a process engineer with 2 years of experience. I hold a master's degree in chemical engineering and am fluent in Italian and English. I'm particularly drawn to this role because of Saipem's reputation for innovative projects and its commitment to sustainable solutions, which align with my passion for engineering excellence and continuous improvement.
Great to hear, Julia. Let's dive into some technical aspects. Can you explain the different types of chemical reactors and how you would approach sizing one for a new process?
Certainly. The main types of reactors include batch, continuous stirred tank reactors, CSTR, plug flow reactors, PFR, and packed bed reactors. To size a reactor, I'd consider factors like reaction kinetics, heat and mass transfer, and the desired conversion rate. For instance, if high conversion per unit volume is needed, a PFR might be suitable. I'd also evaluate safety, cost, and process dynamics.
Excellent. Speaking of safety, what are some critical safety considerations you keep in mind when designing a process?
Safety is paramount. Key considerations include proper ventilation, pressure relief systems, emergency shutdown protocols, and the use of inherently safer designs. It's also crucial to conduct thorough hazard and operability studies, HAZOP, to identify potential risks and implement measures to mitigate them.
Very insightful. Let's talk about catalysts. What types of catalysts are commonly used in chemical processes, and how do you select one for a given reaction?
Common catalysts include homogeneous catalysts, like acids or organometallics, and heterogeneous catalysts, such as metals on solid supports. Selection depends on factors like the reaction type, operating conditions, and desired selectivity. For instance, heterogeneous catalysts are often chosen for ease of separation and reusability.
Moving on to optimization. How do you typically approach process optimization to enhance efficiency and reduce costs?
I start by analyzing the current process to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Techniques like process simulation and modeling are valuable tools. I also consider energy integration opportunities and explore alternative raw materials or technologies. Continuous monitoring and feedback loops are essential for ongoing optimization.
Good approach. In a team setting, how do you handle conflicts or disagreements, especially when collaborating with international teams?
I prioritize open communication and active listening to understand differing perspectives. My multilingual skills help bridge communication gaps. I aim to facilitate a collaborative environment by focusing on common goals and leveraging each team member's strengths to find mutually beneficial solutions.
That's important. Can you discuss a time when you had to implement a new technology or methodology in a process? How did you ensure its successful integration?
While I can't discuss specific projects, generally I evaluate the feasibility and benefits of new technologies through pilot testing and simulations. I involve stakeholders early in the process for buy-in and provide training to ensure everyone is comfortable with the changes. Continuous monitoring post-implementation is key to addressing any issues.
How do you stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in process engineering?
I regularly read industry journals, attend webinars, and participate in professional networks. I also exchange insights with colleagues and mentors, which helps me stay informed about emerging technologies and best practices.
Now, let's discuss sustainability. How do you integrate sustainable practices into your engineering processes?
I focus on energy efficiency, waste minimization, and resource conservation. This includes designing processes with low environmental impact, using renewable resources, and implementing recycling strategies. Life cycle assessments help evaluate the sustainability of a process from start to finish.
Excellent. Before we conclude, do you have any questions for me about the role or the company?
Yes, thank you. Can you tell me about the types of projects a junior process engineer typically works on at Saipem?
Junior process engineers at Saipem often start on smaller projects, focusing on specific process optimization tasks or assisting in the design of new systems. They gradually take on more complex projects as they gain experience.
That sounds great. Could you share more about the team dynamics and how collaboration is fostered at Saipem?
We emphasize teamwork and cross-functional collaboration. Teams are diverse, with members from various backgrounds, and we encourage open communication and knowledge sharing to drive innovation.
Wonderful. Lastly, how does Saipem support professional development and growth for its engineers?
We offer various training programs, mentorship opportunities, and the chance to work on diverse projects. We also encourage employees to pursue further education and certifications relevant to their roles.
Thank you for the insights. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to Saipem.
Thank you, Julia. It was a pleasure speaking with you. We will be in touch soon about the next steps. Have a great day.
Thank you. I look forward to it. Have a great day as well.